A pleasant day to you, everyone. Welcome to the world of life. Here, you may encounter how cell important is, its structure and function.
Have you ever wondered what human cell is? A human cell is the smallest living unit that makes up our entire body and is often called the building block of life. Every part of our body, from our skin and muscles to our brain and blood, is made up of trillions of these tiny cells. Inside each cell are different parts that have specific jobs. The cell membrane acts as a protective layer, controlling what goes in and out of the cell. The cytoplasm holds all the components in place, while the nucleus serves as the control center where DNA is stored. Other tiny parts called organelles, like the mitochondria, help produce energy and the endoplasmic reticulum assist in building proteins. Even though they are too small to see without a microscope, human cells work together as one big system to keep the entire body strong, healthy, and full of life.
Up every living thing. Sometimes, hey there, young scientist. Have you ever wondered what makes up every living thing? From tiny ants to giant elephants, even you. That's right, it's the cell, the building block of life. Think of a cell like a miniature factory, full of workers and machines that help it stay alive and do its job. Let's meet the amazing parts of the cell and see what they do. First, we have the cell membrane, the outer wall that protects the cell. It's like a security gate letting good things like food and water in, and keeping harmful stuff out. Inside the cell, there's a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Everything flows in it, just like toys in a swimming pool. Now meet the nucleus, the boss of the cell. It holds the cell's instructions, or DNA, which tells the cell what to do. It's like the brain of the cell, giving out orders and keeping everything organized. Next up, the mitochondria. The cell's power plants. They make energy so the cell can move, grow, and stay alive. We can call them the powerhouse of the cell. This twisty maze here is the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for short. It helps make and move important materials around the cell, and those tiny dots on it, they're ribosomes, the builders that make proteins, which the cell needs to grow and repair itself. After that, we've got the Golgi apparatus, kind of like the cell's post office. It packages and delivers materials to where they need to go. Some cells have vacuoles, which store food and water like little storage tanks, and lysosomes act as cleaners, breaking down waste and keeping the cell tidy. So remember, every tiny cell is full of busy parts, working together to keep life going. From the cell membrane to the nucleus, each structure plays an important role, because even the smallest things can do the biggest jobs.
Did you know that cells, the fundamental units of life, are microscopic structures found in all living organisms? These cells are categorized into two primary types: the simpler prokaryotic cells and the more complex eukaryotic cells, which contain a nucleus. The human body consists of approximately 30 trillion cells that form tissues, organs, and organ systems, each with varying lifespans and constant communication. Cells contain DNA and RNA, the genetic information necessary for directing cellular activities. Notably, cells can self destruct through a process called apoptosis to prevent harm to the organism.
Alright, that's it. I hope you learned something in our video.